Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is like a 1 and a 2, and we're currently in a wave 3. I still think there's a very good likelihood that gold is going up, potentially all the way to like the $2,400 area, and potentially even higher than that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where I can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, which I call a wave 1. I think this is clearly 3 waves down for an ABC of 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, and it kind of almost looks like the wave 3 possibly could be over, or the wave 2 of wave 3, the correction I mean of inside this wave 3. Kind of looks like this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're now going to be going up for a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we really don't have a Fibonacci bounce, but I did have my Fibonacci extension on here, and we had a perfect 100% Fibonacci extension bounce right there. Now, I am definitely calling this 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3 waves down. I think it's a WXY pattern, and by the looks of this move up, it kind of looks like that pattern could be over, and in the coming weeks and months, it probably will end up continuing the uptrend, making those higher highs and higher lows. So let's head down to that 4 hour time frame. Now you can see this 100% Fibonacci extension that I was talking about almost perfectly respected that level. Now we are definitely making an uptrend. It's definitely higher highs, higher lows. Until we get some sort of a breaker structure to the downside, I would for sure only be a buyer, and I would definitely only be buying at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I had my Fibonacci retracement just on this little push right here because if this is going to continue the trend, then every single correction is just going to be a correction to the last wave of a trend. And look what happened. It went down right to the 61.8, nice impulsive up. It might be a little bit late now to get in, but it looks like there's a pretty good chance that it will keep on going up. And like I said, I personally would definitely only be looking for longs until we get a break of structure to the downside. Now, if it does end up going down one more time, which it possibly could, and then do this, that would also be a long, and that would actually be even a better looking long because in that case, it would be a more traditional ABC. So whether it just keeps on trending up now or whether it makes a traditional ABC correction, makes a Fibonacci bounce and just keeps on trending up from there, I definitely am looking for longs at least until I get a break of structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.